What's this? What is this? Ooh, chattering teeth.
They wind up?
Let's see.
They're not battery operated by any chance, are they?
Yeah, let's see what chattering teeth.
I hope they're wind up ones.
They are. They're wind up ones.
Look at that, Nate. Check that thing out.
Check
Look.
this thing out, Nate. No.
It is real.
Yeah.
Somebody's mouth they took out.
Ooh, what's that? Tops. Oh, very nice. Ooh, jumping fish.
Wow.
You know, why would you use them? Just jumping fish.
Oh,
on the line.
No, wrap it.
I've been nice.
This looks like oh, new one. Oh, I don't know. It's like a.
Is it an iPod? Something?
Oh, it's like an it's an iPhone.
That's not. Oh, all right.
It's like an iPhone that has pictures. That's a very funny.
Yeah, iPhone with fish.
Santa got a funny gift.
Yeah, you can be funny.
He's good. Santa Claus. Santa Claus.
Spinning tops. I think there's one last one, Nate.
I think there's a whole stocking for Jamie and for Buffy and for
just leave stay with
Divna.
next year.
Let's see what this
It's
says.
slipped the next one for me, see?
Unbelievable.
Oh, it's really funny, you know. It's an apple putty. I
Oh!
love those.
Is that a silly putty?
Those. Yelling pet.
That's it.
That's it. Nice.
Wow, good
Now I
stuff.
want to see what's in
we
your
gotta go.
stuff.
Oh,
Okay.
How do you
Find the
even
one.
know you're nicer?
I guess I've been nice.
Find the one that says Buffy. Jamie.
Buffy!
Oh, look at the next one.
Sale. It says sale.
Buffy! Oh!
Anybody named Sale?
Okay.
Oh, we got a bunch of stuff in here.
Okay, you want to help me open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. What do you think this is?
I don't know. Open